I am obsessed with corsets. That is no secret. I really do love the shape, the look of corsets, or well, whatever we usually call corsets nowadays. And I think you do too. Why else would you be here? And today I'm going to present to you 10 plus free corset patterns. I've done all the research so that you do not have to, and this is not just from Mood Fabrics, which by the way is one of my favorite, well, not one, my favorite website to get free patterns. I link it in the description box, and I also made a video on 15 plus free patterns for beginners. If you're interested in the video, I link it up here and in the description as well. Check that out. And I know I can talk a lot, so let's get into the video. So these patterns are from different websites, different people, YouTube creators. So let's start off with my holy grails. One of them is from Mood Fabrics. Yes, it's no surprise that that's what's starting this video. It's called the Adenia bodysuit. It's a corset with like cups and nice fitted, but it's a bodysuit. Well, I've never made it as a bodysuit, but I've made it like a cropped corset, and they have a place where you can cut out like the waist portion, and I just love that so much. I have a video making that. I have a couple of videos featuring that corset. It's so pretty. It's really nice. It fits a lot nicer than most corsets I've tried. The second one is also from Mood Fabrics. It's called the Cerise, not sure. It's called the Cerise pattern, and I made it in like my, not really my previous, but it's like less than 2 weeks ago. I link it in the description. It's a strapless corset that fits you so well. It shapes your waist so good. It goes all the way past your lower waist to your high hip. Is it high hip or mid hip? I'm not sure, but it looks so good. It's nice. I love it. It has like ties at the back or grommets. It's so pretty. The third corset that I love, it's by Pink Banana. She was called So Cool. I discovered her as So Cool, and it's a corset top. I will link all these patterns in the description box because most of them have no names. It's from So Cool, and the fourth pattern is also from So Cool. It's like curved. It goes like to this point, then comes down. Like, it's really nice. It has like some sort of V at the front. So pretty. It's strapless. She made it out of, is it vinyl? It looked so amazing. I've made it out of a black shiny fabric. I don't remember with the name, and it came out so good. I added straps because my girls just don't like strapless kind of thing. Yeah, so it's so pretty. I love her patterns. The ones that I've made so far have not been disappointing. I link her channel in the description box. And now that we are out of my 4 holy grail, let's move to the ones that I've not tried yet but I want to. I'm going to start by a pattern by Pattern Couture. It's a corset top. It's so heavenly. When you look at the thumbnail on YouTube, it's so okay. I have no words. It's like a bustier, because it's not like a bustier. I won't call it a bustier, but it has cups. It's like a v-neck, and it has like hooks at the front. So nice, and it has straps. I love it so much. The other corset that I love is from Mood Fabrics, and I've not met this before because I just discovered it. It's the Spearmint corset, and it looks more like the corset by Pattern Couture. It's really nice. It's one of those corsets you can make out of like a sweatshirt, a t-shirt. When corsets first reappeared and they were really trendy, everyone was making them out of sweatshirts, out of t-shirts, out of all the stretchy material, and it used to look so good. And I want to make myself right now. I think I'm too late for the trend, but I'm going to make it anyway. I love that look. The spearmint corset, you can do that with. The other corset that I love now, this is more of a corset, like the corsets that people from those ages used to wear. It's called the Sylvia Bust corset, and it's from Arena Black, and it's really cute. It looks, if you've watched Bridgerton, that is the vibe this corset gives. It's so nice. It fits. It's like a sweetheart neckline. It fits your waist so good. It goes to your mid hip. It has like garments at the back, ties, and it has a modest panel. I think that's what it's called, that panel that you put between the garments so that you won't show your skin. Yeah, that. It's really nice. It's okay. The problem with that, it's not like beginner, but if you know how to sew, if you know how to read instructions, if you're determined, I always say you can make anything. Trust me. If you know how to operate a machine, you can read the instructions, then that's all you need. And it's really cute. I'm making this really soon, and my birthday is almost here. Well, it's a couple months away, but well, it's almost here. And I'm planning, I think I'm going to make a corset and like a really nice and poofy gown. Plans for later. The other corset that I love is from Kiana Bonolo. If you know her, you know she makes really nice stuff, and her patterns are usually for sale, but this one corset pattern is not, and it looks so good. Well, it's like just a normal corset, a cropped one, you know. That's what has been trending in terms of corset, really cropped corsets, and I just love it. She made it out of this gorgeous fabric. It's so pretty. I love it. Check that out. And she also has a couple of free patterns. You can check them out too from her videos. I link her channel in the description box. The other corset that I love so much is the bustier corset from Dressmaking Academy. They have really nice patterns, and their videos are really straight to the point. They're really nice. I love them so much. This corset is just a nice bustier kind of top, kind of corset, you know, provided it holds you in. Nowadays you're calling it a corset, right? Yeah, it's a really nice corset. It looks so nice, trust me. And the fact that it's free, it's beyond words. The other one is a pattern by Devilish Angel. Is it Devilish Angel or Devilish? I'm not really sure. I link the video in the description box. She made a really nice corset. It's so nice, and you can make this reversible, and it's everything. It's a bustier corset. It's like a sweetheart neckline. That is what we call, that's what bustier is, right? Is it that, or is it the ones with the caps? But as they said, it's a bustier corset top, and it looks so good. And for bonuses, I have some corset belts. Well, corset belts and corsets go hand in hand. Like, they're so nice. You can use them as belts, which is something I want to get into. I have a love and hate relationship with belts. Not that much of a fan, but if you are, corset belts are one of the best. So I have two patterns for corset belts. One is by This Is Catchy, and you saw and you don't know who Catchy is. I don't understand. I will link her entire channel in the description box because her creations are heavenly. You can check out her patterns, you can buy those, and she blessed us with a corset belt pattern that looks so amazing. Yeah, it's like a V and hugs you nice and tight. It's so pretty. And what else is there to say about corset belt patterns. They hold you in. They hold whatever you're wearing. If it's like a baggy dress, it holds it in. It gives you a waist. It gives you some, curves, and it's really nice. Check out her pattern in the description box. The second and the last pattern is a corset belt by Tracy Garcia, or if you're from TikTok, you know her as Transformations by Tracy. This was from way before 2021, because I made that pattern in 2021. It was so cute. It's like a corset belt with like some garters. It's really nice. It's the whole package, and it has like a front zipper. I made it out of denim. It's so cute. So for all these patterns that I've mentioned, they will all be linked in the description box. If I've mentioned a YouTube channel, if there's a YouTube video on the pattern, I will link it in the description box. Whether it's mine or someone else's, they will all be linked in the description box. And make sure to stop by and check all those out. And if there's a pattern, corset pattern, or any other pattern that you love and you would like to share with us, tell us in the comment section, and we will really appreciate it. And also, if you're a beginner, you want free patterns, I have 15 really easy, really beginner friendly patterns. I will link that in the description box. And also, if you want me to make any other compilation of free patterns, I will do the research for you, so just tell me in the comment section. And that is it for this video. Like, share, and comment, and also subscribe on this channel, and you will not be disappointed. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.